folks. This here is old Polecat Mahoney, and I am delighted to take you into the famous Calico mine, the richest gold strike this side of the Mississippi.
Keep a lookout for low hanging outcroppings and snaggings.
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many a poor miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face. It ain't exactly the kind of warm welcome to home. Over yonder, you can see all their sublime cages, quickest way to reach every level of the mine. And take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir, folks. That's the world-famous Calico mine glory hole. The site of one of the richest gold strikes in all of Now we're heading over an underground lake at the mouth of this here river. When we're not panning for gold flakes here in the water, we're fishing for those little blind fish you see down there. They ain't never seen the light of day.
One stray spark and we'll all get blasted to the
Now we're getting to the 3,000 foot level, and our square set timber work county. This type of modern technology makes all of the deepest mining possible. Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1,000,000 years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling. Well, look at that. Old seldom seen Slim's done struck him some gold. Drinks on you, Slim. We're approaching the upper levels of the glory hole. From up here you get a view of all the different kinds of mining operations we have going on. It's a lot of back-breaking work digging up all that gold ore with a few measly old picks and shovels and rock diggers. That's what I call teamwork. They don't call man's best friend for nothing, especially when there's gold at stake. That's all things I thought on this year's Christmas. Keep the heels and arms inside the car now. Ain't falling off this mountain since 1880. Oh, never mind that. Let's just hope she's got one more train in there. Up ahead there is a new part of the mine. That means progress. And progress means blasting. Look out, folks. We're headed straight into a dynamiting party. This shaft is caving in. Let her rip, boys.
Hey, slow that train down. There's blasting ahead. Slow down there.
Please stop it. Lift up all those